How on the children to do? This should the Queen Quet head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation founder, the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition. I come on you for thank you to all the 100 children what give for we Gullah Geechee land and legacy. We want to say thank you to Paffin, thank you to Marshview, and thank you to you for all the 100 children would take the time, we taught them not robbery, for help we take a stand for save Gullah Geechee land. Now all the 100 children who ain't done paid in late tax and things like that, 100 got there tomorrow, yeah? Okay, so you need to get online this evening. You need to go down there and fuss in tomorrow, because Monday, they're going to try for take the land from underneath we. They'll auction them off Monday. So we want 100 children for go on and make sure there ain't a shame for God and for the ancestors that we gonna let we land get auctioned off. So 100 children, pay your tax and things like that, and make sure you take a stand for Gullah Geechee land. Peace and blessing to all 100 children. Stay safe, stay healthy, but make sure you hold on we Gullah Geechee land and legacy.